A shocking story of resilience and medical innovation. Dave Richards, a 75-year-old cyclist, was struck by a drunk driver, leaving him with devastating third-degree burns. But here's the remarkable part: he received a 3D-printed face, a groundbreaking procedure. The NHS provided a custom-made 3D prosthetic, matching his features and hair, eye, and skin color. But why was this necessary? Richards was cycling with friends on a sunny day in July 2021 when a speeding drunk driver hit him. The impact caused full-thickness burns to his face, along with severe injuries to his back, pelvis, and ribs. The driver's recklessness nearly took Richards' life. And this is where the story takes a turn. During his recovery, Richards was introduced to the world of reconstructive prosthetics. He was referred to the Bristol 3D Medical Centre, a pioneering facility within the NHS. There, they utilized 3D scanning, design, and printing to create a personalized solution. The process wasn't easy. Richards recalls feeling vulnerable and self-conscious about his appearance. But the medical team's expertise and the precision of 3D printing made all the difference. They even had to remove his eye due to the risk of infection spreading to the brain. The 3D printed face was crafted to fit perfectly, with intricate details matching his features. Amy Davey, a senior scientist, explains that the technology allows for scanning patients in motion, ensuring prosthetics accommodate natural movement. The advanced resins used are safe for long-term skin contact. But here's where it gets controversial. The driver responsible for this life-altering accident received a sentence of only 3 years and a 7-year driving ban. He was released after just 1.5 years for good behavior and an early guilty plea. Richards, understandably, feels the sentence doesn't reflect the severity of the crime. This story raises questions about justice and the power of medical technology. How do we ensure fair punishment for such reckless actions? And how can we celebrate the incredible advancements in healthcare without forgetting the human impact of tragic accidents? Share your thoughts below.